PureWick usage duration, what you need to know.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic. How long can a PureWick be used before it needs to be replaced? If you're unfamiliar, PureWick is a urine collection device, primarily for females. Proper usage and timely replacement ensure both safety and efficiency. Let's get started.
What is a PureWick?
A PureWick is a non-invasive, external urinary device. It's designed to safely and effectively capture urine output, providing a convenient alternative to traditional urinary catheters or diapers for women. The PureWick device is primarily made of absorbent material.
How long can you use a PureWick?
This is where the rubber meets the road. For optimal performance and safety, a PureWick should be replaced every 8 to 12 hours. This frequency ensures that the device remains effective in urine collection and minimizes any risks associated with prolonged usage. Note: in specific scenarios, such as heavy urine output or if the PureWick becomes saturated before this timeframe, it might require earlier replacement.
Why replace every 8 to 12 hours?
A couple of reasons stand out. 1. Efficiency. As the device collects urine, it becomes saturated over time. A saturated PureWick cannot effectively absorb additional urine, potentially leading to leaks. 2. Hygiene and comfort. A fresh PureWick ensures that the user is always dry, comfortable, and at a reduced risk of skin irritation or infections. In summary, when using a PureWick, it's crucial to replace it every 8 to 12 hours for optimal functionality and the well-being of the user. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this information proves helpful in ensuring both comfort and safety for PureWick users. Stay informed and take care.